Good day, professors, doctors, master student, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Neo Nyakane. I'm doing final year in master's degree in agriculture at Central University of Technology in South Africa under the supervision of Dr. Marcus and Dr. Sidibe. The title of the presentation is a comprehensive review on the effects of magnetic field on plant growth, which is presented by N.A. Nyakane. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you will enjoy the rest of the presentation. The outline of the presentation is a motivation of the study, introduction, magnetic field effects on pre-treatment of seeds, germination, plant growth and development, discussion, recommendation, and lastly, reference.
Subsequently, climatic change is a key global concern around the world, especially in developing countries. Ladies and gentlemen, statistical evidence suggests that most of the countries are getting hotter by at least 1.5 times the observed global average of 0.65 degrees Celsius over the past 5 decades. Moreover, the use of water has also increased greatly over this same period. The change of climatic condition that makes temperature climb and reduce the rain and their timing, it is predominantly felt by farmers due to reduction of potential crop yield and decrease in water availability, which put a massive pressure on water resources for irrigation.
Ladies and gentlemen, steps are needed to be taken to conserve both the quantity and quality of water and yield for the sake of the coming generation. And the appropriate strategy will have to be developed to avoid risk to the future supply. And one of the ways by which we can reduce the total water used for irrigation is to employ practice that can improve crop yield per unit volume of water. Ladies and gentlemen, there have been some discovery made that magnetic treatment can conserve both the quantity and quality of water and crop yield. Even though this device seems viable, there are some authors arguing about this inclusion. They believe that the study of magnetic field on organism is not biologically active nor science-based, but rather a pseudoscience. However, there have been a breakthrough discovery for the past 20 years, mainly related to enzyme activity, germination, and water uptake in seeds. The effect of magnetic field on pre-treatment of seeds. Magnetic field stimulation of seeds quantity and quality and water productivity has caught the interest of many scientists around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the effect of magnetic field on the biological system of the seed or plant is dependent on its application, intensity, and frequency. The study shows that magnetic treatment improves first stage of growth in higher plants and increases strength enzymes like APX in situ. Therefore, by magnetizing seed has advantage to speed up seed germination and development.
Furthermore, research documented that the salinity on germination and seedling vigor can be alleviated with static magnetic field. And a static magnetic field can also be used to increase water uptake and hydrolytic enzyme activity in higher plant, which will improve vegetative growth, increase phosphorus content, total yield, and reduce pH value in soil extraction. Nevertheless, there is no complete conclusion on how this field achieves such a change on the biological system. A magnetic field is assumed to enhance seed vigor by influencing the biological process that involve free radical ion and by stimulating the activity of protein and enzyme.
The effect of magnetic field on germination. Ladies and gentlemen, research have documented that magnetic field is a primary ideal for enhancing the germination rate, growth and development. Therefore, by treating seed with magnetic field, it is possible to improve short cycle variety and adapted to rainy season, which will speed up plant development, improve germination and seedling growth, and activate proteins formation and enzyme activity.
Ladies and gentlemen, magnetic field treatment not only increase the growth and vigor parameter of the seedling, but also play a significant role in enhancing biological property of seed. Hence, magnetic field can be considered as an alternative to chemical and biological methods that are commonly used in the production of vegetable crops. It has been concluded that magnetic field alters the membrane structure of the plant cell so that the plant can absorb more water and nutrients that lead to acceleration of growth.
The effect of magnetic field on plant growth and development. The study shows that the treatment of magnetic water could be used to improve the quantity and quality traits of the plant and water productivity under sandy soil condition. Magnetic field has shown a remarkable increase in the yield components, chlorophyll content, and photosynthetic rate, plant height, and biomass production.
Furthermore, magnetized water have shown to enhance the growth and development of above ground parts, which is manifested by an increase in the length and weight of the shoots, an increase in the photosynthetic pigment content. Nevertheless, the negative effect of static magnetic field in both directions was seen on dry weight of maize plant. Nevertheless, information of the mechanism on the action of the magnetic field on various biological systems such as cell tissue of plants and water may be effective used as a means of regulating biological activity and removing unfavorable components from the biosystem. Discussion. The application of pre-treatment of seedling have shown promising potential in different areas, particularly in the field of agriculture. The results shown that electromagnetic field treatment provide a simple and ecological, well-comportable method to improve seed vigor. Using magnetic treatment has been found to perform the best results with economic impact on producers' income in context of the modern, organic and sustainable agriculture, reducing application of fertilizer, yield in a short period of time, and less pesticide application. The application of magnetic field on germination is a suitable, cheap and easy invigoration method for improving germination and seedling vigor in dices of poor quality seed. Seed enhancing energy treatment does not only increase the growth and the vigor parameters of seedling, but also play a significant role in enhancing biochemical property of seed. Using structured irrigation system has shown a very remarkable increase in the yield component, chlorophyll content, net photosynthetic rate, plant height, and biomass production. Magnetized water can be considered as one of the most valuable, safe, practical, and economical technology that can help in improving yield, thus saving water resources. Recommendation for using magnetic field technology. This technology does not emit waste of any kind, does not generate harmful radiation, neither does require power. This has a potential to increase crop production and water productivity per unit area of land without having any damage effect towards the environmental component. Ladies and gentlemen, magnetic field exposure, probably through increasing nutrient uptake efficiency, could be used to reduce fertilizer requirement, which is particularly important in medicinal production and organic farming. However, ladies and gentlemen, considering that method for efficient irrigation scheduling are needed for commercial farmers, cultivation under lower magnetic field could be an alternative way to improve water use efficiently within the framework of the future agriculture technology. However, more extensive research experiments are needed concerning plant growth under the field condition, as some devices may not be easy to apply or to install for irrigation purposes.
Here is a short list of reference, and other references can be viewed on the paper. Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the presentation. Hope to see you in future. Thank you very much. God bless. Shalom.